No way. Please swing moderately.
So you don't hit the wall behind you.
Well, moderation to people is different. My moderation is quite intense.
Me too.
This is even close to moderation for me. Oh, I just hit the wall. All right, maybe that's what they mean. Don't hit the wall.
Probably so.
This is, hey, we need to hang a swing set, a swing from that, our ceiling in the foyer. What do you think? I'm not kidding. All right. Right.
Why do we have to take pictures around it? Because that's my thing.
Look at that too. That's real.
I'll turn around. Turn around. Baby. Smile. Happy, happy. Happy, happy. About the bodies.
Those are real.
Not happy. And I just broke the bubble. Let me look then. Let me look at our picture.
How crazy is that? See, this is what I was telling you. They shaved them really thin. Yeah, it's too much.